Sorry, interview kita for my FMA2, Nursing Administration, a study of a nursing administrator. Okay, my first question is your motivation as an administrator.
Initially, as far as my consideration in my career is of course working abroad. My first consideration was my financial compensation, because you will be held of series of responsibilities. So of course I have to consider it, and then things that uh, things those are, I mean, when you are as a staff nurse, which you cannot do it when you are a head nurse or as an administrator. So this is part of, you know, service and quality of care which we are giving to our patients, which which I think that I can be of help, and I could be of help in improving, especially in the nursing care, and polishing staff nurses to be at least competent staff nurses for patients on rehabilitation.
I will go up. You'll see.
Okay. What about in decision making? How you manage your critical thinking and decision making skills?
Now, in decision making, especially when usually in critical thinking, on decision makings is when things are out of order, of course. So when it comes to administration, usually the problems will come in between staff nurses as an administrator, you know, attitude problem, behavior problem, which causes interruptions or of the care rendered to patients. So first of all, you have to collect data. It's not, sometimes when one of the staff nurses is involved in a situation, usually people do think that, oh, because this staff nurse is a troublemaker, so immediately we will jump into conclusion that this particular staff nurse is the one creating the problem. But yeah, so very important thing is, do not jump into conclusion. Collect all the data, bring all information needed, and then always stand to be fair with each other. Okay, do not give your conclusion of whom you are trying to you are not supposed to compare from one staff to another staff on the previous incidents. You must, as much as possible, focus your decisions on the incident itself, what had happened.
Okay. What about your utilization of technology in decision-making process?
Well, as we all know that we are now most of us are using already, technologies, advanced technologies. So I think this would give us more information. It is because it says that information information could information knowledge is a power. So this in this case, you would be guided at least, but you have to stick on the basic, okay, of what you are trying to come up with. So because everybody, we cannot say that a decision being done is 100% right, but as much as possible you will come up to a decision which more benefit the workplace
And enhanced.
to enhance service.
What about your involvement in policy making?
Policy making, well, you have to at least undergone situations from in what way, from your experiences, because policy making, putting the policy, at least somebody or at least something had happened which you encountered in order for you to be more realistic. Policy making is not just like putting into words that you have to follow this one and imposing rules. So at least you have experienced something. So putting yourself into this kind of policy, what would be the advantages, disadvantages of this policy, and who will be abused if ever, or who will be
Benefited.
who will benefit this policy which you are going to formulate, because policy will not only be effective during this time when you make it. This will run, and everybody in the institution will abide on it, and it will be affecting, it's either be in the positive side or negative side of the service in the nursing field.
Since we are working in the Ministry of Kuwait and everything is provided by the ministry, what about the financial entrepreneurial skills? What could you give, or any suggestions to make the institution better than?
Well, actually now, as far as
Are we allowed to give any suggestions to improve the institution in putting any mechanical things or?
you know, here in our setup in Kuwait, we are not given the chance in our stage now to at least suggest for
Any improvement?
any improvements, especially on financial matters, because this is being limited only to those who are nationals in this country. So we are not involved in this.
When it comes to entrepreneur and financial things.
We are not involved. We are at least sometimes being asked on in which equipments, in which in which I mean manpower do we suggest, but up to that point only. With regards to financial matters, it is being limited only to the higher authorities, which has this I mean power, or shall we say right to do the
To give any
to
suggestions or?
to give any suggestions or to formulate, because it came like this will be your range, this will be your rate, and that's it. It's like take it or leave it. So if you are not satisfied with your compensation, you can
You
leave
can freely.
freely. Then if you will be satisfied and you can live on it, so stay in your job.
Okay, last question, sir. Since we are in the psychiatric institutions, there are so many conflicts in between your wards or the other areas like admission wards or rehabilitation. How would you handle all these conflicts in the workplace?
Well, actually, conflicts. How I'm just, it is for me, for my own opinion, and what I'm doing is to get the right information. At least I'm avoiding the second-hand information, and make a good communication with the person concerned.
Concerned.
Okay, it's like avoiding hearsay. So this would affect how the exact incident, how you would handle the situation. All these things would affect, especially when you don't get the right information, because
From the right person.
from the right person, might be less or it might be more. So what is very important is a communication between one area to my area, because this would at least improve the the relationship, because as what we knew that administrations must have
Good relationship.
at least a good relationship. This is for the betterment of the nursing service,
And since you are handling different nationalities,
and having
yeah.
different nationalities, avoid sometimes you might be hearing some words which doesn't sound good, but it doesn't mean bad.
Yeah.
So it means clarifying those things which you don't
To avoid
really
conflicts further.
conflicts, because this will interrupt the good teamwork. So good teamwork would decrease the quality of care being given to the patients.
Okay. Thank you, and this ends the interview. Thank you, Mr. Chibi.
Okay, welcome and thank you.